How do you get out of bed in the morning?
Do you jump out of bed and get ready to start the day?
Or
Do you roll out of bed wishing you could sleep a little longer?
no matter how you choose to get out of bed in the morning, it requires effort and the use of your arms and legs. Have you ever considered what it would be like to have lost the use of your limbs? As engineers, our job is to make people's lives easier. How can we help those who have lost a limb? Take a minute and watch this video and see how Clemson bioengineering students are working to make it possible for amputees to walk again. Now it's your turn. Using the engineering design process, you will take the position of an engineer. Let's first define the problem. Many people are left without limbs because of injuries, illness, or other circumstances. These amputees need help performing everyday tasks. You will mimic this condition by bending your knee and creating a prosthetic that connects your knee to the floor and allows you to walk. Let's imagine a solution. First, you will need to consider the body parts that you are replacing. Think about what makes your leg function. What provides support for your leg? How is your movement restricted? You cannot move your knee or ankle in just any direction. The movements are restricted by ligaments. Pause the video while you consider answers to these questions. Great! Now that you have an idea of how your leg works, it's time to brainstorm ideas about how your prosthetic leg will simulate a real leg. You will consider the following 4 items. Leg structure. This part should be able to support all your weight, similar to your bones. You can use materials such as PVC pipe, a cardboard tube, or a thick wooden dowel rod. You can use one of your own shoes to provide more of a grip on the ground. A comfort piece. This part will be touching your knee. As you can imagine, having a stick against your knee won't be comfortable for you to walk. You can use a sponge, bubble wrap, corrugated cardboard, contained gels, or foam as the comfort piece. Anything that makes the prosthetic leg more comfortable. The attachment piece. Anything to secure the device to your knee and to mimic the movement. A string, rope, or tape might come in handy. Clothing. Anything to function as a cover. This is optional, but it can certainly serve your own style, so have fun with it. You can use leftover materials from pants, jeans, socks, or towels. Other materials that may be helpful are scissors, duct tape, and a measuring device. Pause the video and take a minute to plan your design by sketching a drawing and label it with materials in the engineer's workbook. Now that you have a plan, it's time to create your design. Pause the video while you take some time to find the materials and create your first prosthetic leg. Now that you have your first design, let's test it out. Remember to be careful and make sure to stand near a wall or rail to help during your testing. Attach your device to your knee. Can you walk in it? How many steps can you take? Does your device support you? If you can take at least 3 full steps and your prosthetic leg is still in place, congratulations, you have completed the challenge. Take some pictures and a video of you while you're walking with your prosthetic leg. Tag us on Twitter at Clemson Explore. This last step in the engineering design process is one of the most important. Iterate and improve your design. Ask yourself what worked well. What did not function like you expected? How can you make it better? What materials could you change? Use page 2 of the engineer's notebook to fill out your answers. This is what engineers do. They take given materials and design devices that help make our lives easier. The human body is amazing in the way that it works. Now let's take a look at how you can find math within the design of the human body and other things in nature. Use the Fibonacci sequence worksheet to discover some interesting facts about your body. Thank you so much for participating in the Explore Mobile Lab program. We hope you learned a little about engineering and saw some meaning in your math work. Keep exploring!